Let's learn our ABCs with Buzzy Bee. From A to Z, we'll rhyme and play. So flap your wings and buzz away. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat who purrs all day. D is for dog who wants to play. E is for elephant, big and loud. F is for frog who's hopping proud. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hat that's cool and chic. Buzzing high and buzzing low, Buzzy Bee knows where to go. Through the letters, fast and free. Come and learn with Buzzy Bee.
I is for igloo, made of snow. J is for jelly, soft and slow. K is for kite, up in the sky. L is for lion, hear him cry. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for nest, in the breeze. O is for octopus, wiggling by. P is for penguin, learning to fly.
Buzzing high and buzzing low, Buzzy Bee knows where to go. Through the letters, fast and free. Come and learn with Buzzy Bee.
Q is for queen with crown so bright. R is for rocket, zooming at night. S is for snake who slithers slow. T is for turtle, on the go. U is for umbrella, when it rains. V is for van, driving through lanes. W is for whale, so big and blue. X is for xylophone, rainbow hue. Y is for yo-yo, spinning tight. Z is for zebra, black and white.
Buzz, buzz, buzz from A to Z. You learned them all with Buzzy Bee. Letters, rhymes, and laughter too.
Now it's time to fly with you.